Meaning of Gwen John.
Gwen John.
Gwen John.
Gwen John.
Gwen John. Gwen John refers to a Welsh artist who was born in 1876 and died in 1939. She is known for her distinctive style of painting, which often features women in various poses and settings. John was part of the Bohemian art scene in Paris during the early 20th century, where she developed her signature style and made connections with other influential artists of the time. Her work is highly regarded for its raw emotional power and its skillful use of color and form. Today, Gwen John is considered one of the most important artists of the modernist era.